Namaskaram. Welcome to Mata Bhuvneshwari Jyotidam. Today, we will look into the importance of Brahma Muhurtam. I have been approached by many of my clients asking me when this Brahma Muhurtam will occur in a day. I have also seen confusions among people regarding the duration of the Brahma Muhurtam. Some told me that Brahma Muhurtam takes place exactly before the sunrise. Some told me that the Brahma Muhurtam continues till the end of the first Muhurtam of the day. Some said the Brahma Muhurtam is of 1.5 hour duration. Some said it is for 48 minutes duration. Let us start with what is Brahma Muhurtam. Brahma Muhurtam is considered to be the best Muhurtam of the day. All types of auspicious work can be performed during the Brahma Muhurtam to get the best result out of it. We can do our studies, meditation, yoga, arrange marriages, Graha Pravesham, Upanayan Sanskara during the Brahma Muhurtam. We need not worry about the dosha of the time, as Brahma Muhurtam is believed to be free from all types of dosha. Now let us see when the Brahma Muhurtam takes place in a day. A Muhurtam is about 48 minutes duration. Brahma Muhurtam will start almost about 96 minutes before the sunrise and will end almost about 48 minutes before the sunrise. For example, if the sunrise is at 6 am, then the Brahma Muhurtam will start at 4:24 am and will end at 5:12 am. The timing and duration of the Brahma Muhurtam or any other Muhurtam will vary from one day to another day based on the different timings of sunrise and the different durations from one sunrise to another sunrise on each day. I have also been asked that if Brahma Muhurtam is so auspicious, then can we perform our Subha Karya on any month or any day? Please note that in Sanatan Dharma, we prohibit certain months and days from doing any auspicious work during those months and days. Brahma Muhurtam is just a Muhurtam which is free from all the dosha related to the Muhurta. We need to check the auspiciousness of the month and the day before performing any auspicious work. So yes, we need to check the auspiciousness of the month and the day, and then if we go ahead perform our work during the Brahma Muhurtam, we can do that and can expect good results out of it. Now, this is my study and understanding of the Brahma Muhurtam. If you find my video of some use to you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.